Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Carencro, local and long-distance movers near me. When the move is more than 50 miles apart, it's called a long-distance move. Long-distance moves are so hectic that if you're doing them all alone, it can be difficult. 3 Movers remains the best moving company near you in Carencro. We offer cost-effective solutions and high-quality moving services. While we handle your move, you can focus on other aspects of your move without worrying. Shifting locally is suitable for you when you have little or no boxes to transport. However, you may still have a lot of possessions to move. It can take you days to cover the distance and cost of your extras because you will separately pay the laborers for shifting the heavy items. Therefore, 3 Movers comes with customizable plans to help you in local moving. You can pack the items yourself, or we will load and move it into a new apartment. However, it is optional. You may also pick the full service option and leave the rest to us. The team will do everything from scratch and also assist in setting up the new apartment as per your desire. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Carencro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.